Good morning. Welcome to our Key Stage 2 Celebration Assembly. It's lovely to see you all here again. I'm really looking forward to sharing with you some of the great celebrations that we have for this week. Firstly, I hope you really enjoyed yesterday's World Book Day. I hope you had lots of fun dressing up as your favourite characters. I saw lots of you on our Zoom lessons or around school dressed up in your favourite characters such as Harry Potter. There was lots of princesses, Where's Wally, and a range of other things. So I hope you had a really good time. And I'd just like to pass on my thanks to Mr. Millership for organising the day. He put lots of things in place for you, and I know there was lots of activities for you to engage with on the website and also in school. And I also hope you enjoyed watching his special assembly and hearing the story that he read. So thank you very much for that, Mr. Millership. In today's assembly, I am also going to set you a challenge. So I've added 2 new things into my office this week. I wonder if you can guess what they are. We'll find out at the end. So first of all, we'll start with our attendance winners for lower key stage 2. It's really close again. Some classes have really improved, so well done to you. But this week's attendance winner is class 3D. Wow, well done to all of you in class 3D. What a great achievement. So we'll move on to our learners of the week. So in class 3A, we have Noah for participating in Zoom lessons brilliantly and completing his home learning task to an excellent standard. Well done to you, Noah. Keep it up. In 3B, you have Maria for persevering within all aspects of your learning and trying her absolute best in all lessons. Well done, Maria. Great job. In class 3C, your learner of the week is Ella for trying her best in all Zoom sessions and giving valuable contributions. Well done to you, Ella. In class 3D, we have Alice for her excellent contribution during the math lessons this week. Well done to you, Alice. In class 4A, your learner of the week is Harry for a fantastic effort during the whole of lockdown, for taking part with lots of home learning and really trying your best. Well done. Your teacher says they're really proud of you, and so are we. Well done, Harry. In class 4B, your learner of the week is Sam for an excellent effort in his writing and producing brilliant work while learning from home. Well done, Sam. In class 4C, we have Dusty for her enthusiastic contributions during Zoom lessons and for her effort in her home learning activities. Well done to you, Dusty. And finally, in 4D, we have Lowen for showing great perseverance in his learning across all subjects this week. Super effort, and your teacher is super proud of you. Well done, Lowen. So we'll now move on to our attendance winners for upper key stage 2. And this week, our attendance winner is class 5D. Well done to all of you in class 5D. Lots of you are attending Zoom lessons or the in-school provision, so well done to you. Keep up the good work. So let's move on now to see who our upper key stage 2 winners are for this week. In class 5A, we have Isabel for an excellent start to persuasive writing and generating an excellent rhetorical question for your advert. Well done to you, Isabel. In class 5B, we have Brandon for a fantastic effort throughout all of his home learning. Well done, Brandon. Good job. Keep it up. In class 5C, we have all of those children who have been attending the Key Worker provision. Your teacher has said you've shown excellent perseverance and determination throughout the lockdown learning. So well done to all of those children in class 5C. In class 5D, we have Leon for his excellent participation in all Zoom lessons and showing his best. Well done, Leon. Keep up the good work. In class 6A, your learner of the week is Freya for showing a high standard in all the math lessons and working really hard and being part of a super team. Well done. Keep up the good work, Freya. In class 6B, your learner of the week is Sophie, for always trying her very best in all of the lessons that she's been doing in school. Well done to you, Sophie. In class 6C, your learner of the week is Nikolai, for an excellent effort in the Zoom lessons and showing excellent attendance during those as well. So always turning up and taking part. Well done, Nikolai. I know you've been attending lots of those sessions, so well done. And you've been showing a really lovely learning attitude. Keep up the good work. And finally, in class 6D, we have Alfie, for demonstrating a hard-working approach in all of your work this week, focusing on fractions, decimals, and percentages. And they can be really tricky, so well done, Alfie, for demonstrating lots of those school values. Wow! What fantastic learners of the week this week. Well done to all of you. You've obviously been trying really hard. Again, well done to everyone else who hasn't achieved learner of the week this week. But I know from seeing some of your work and some of the emails that your teachers have been sent that you're doing a really good job. So well done. And actually, as you know, this is the last week of all of you doing home learning. So well done to all of you for taking part regularly. I hope you've enjoyed our Zoom lessons. I hope you've been accessing some of the things on the YouTube channels and also all of the other activities that you've been doing. There's some new things that have gone onto our YouTube this week. We've got a yoga video, some dances, lots of things. So keep looking at the YouTube channel and taking part in those things. And next week, everyone will be coming back to school. And I'm really excited to see you all. I look forward to standing on the playground in the morning, saying good morning. So again, I look forward to seeing you at 8:45 or between 8:45 and 9:05, coming onto the school playground and coming into school. Your adults have been sent a Weed Up message with all of the details that they need to know, but it looks a lot like it was just before Christmas, before we went into our lockdown. So there's no big changes, so we're really looking forward to seeing you all again. So over the weekend, make sure you check your uniform, try on those shoes and squeeze into them if you can, and get all your things ready so you're here ready to learn on Monday. And finally, I'm sure you were looking around during my assembly. Did you notice those two things that were different? You'll see behind me my favourite character, the Gruffalo, who's popped up there for World Book Day. I hope you've enjoyed reading about your characters, but the Gruffalo is a big favourite of mine. And of course, obviously behind me here, we've got my daffodils. And I'm sure when you look around at the moment, you can see those bulbs and things beginning to spring into action because it's spring. We've got lots of those around school as well, so look out for those. So they're the two things. So well done to you if you managed to find those. And finally, I really look forward to seeing you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Okay, have a nice time and take care and stay safe. See you later. Bye.